Located from just 5 minutes away from Thane station, this is a premium bungalow development of 3000 square feet carpet area, and the plot area comprises of 5000 square feet. This project is nearing possession. This is under construction at the moment. So guys, let's have a look at the bungalow. This is the grandeur living room of 28 feet clear height. So this will be the entrance for your parking. Here will be your main gate. You can keep your 2 SUVs. Coming inside, this will be the security cabin. Inside the compound, here it is a banyan tree. Here comes the fountain, which will be at the front area of your bungalow. This is the main entrance. This is the foyer space. This will be the elevator. This is the open kitchen concept. You can customize as per your interior requirement. You can utilize this space for your dining table. This is your grandeur living room with a clear height of 28 feet. As you can see, here there is no wall. There will be a glass facade, which will be giving a superior look to the villa. Powder room. Your first master bedroom. It gives access to your garden area. In future, this space will be done with the proper landscaping. Here comes your second bedroom. It is quite spacious and big enough. The bathrooms are of huge size where you can do a customized jacuzzi or walk-in wardrobe. It gives a sense of luxury. Let's go upstairs. On the first level, this space can be utilized for your duct of family room. Here are the 2 bedrooms. Here comes the elevator. This is the foyer space. This is a master bedroom connected with the spacious deck. You can utilize this space for the swing or landscaping. Bathroom with the walk-in wardrobe. Second bedroom on the other side. Again, your walk-in wardrobe and bathroom. Bedrooms with the cross ventilation windows on both the sides. The ceilings are made up with the facility for centralized AC, or you can utilize for the projector. Let's go on the second floor. Now, this is something very special. You can utilize this bedroom, or you can utilize this space for indoor gaming as well. You can keep your snooker table or gym accessories over here. So on this level, there is one USP. You get the 2 terraces. This is your first terrace. So you can utilize it as an open air gym or again for the bar. It gives you the beautiful view of the swimming pool, which will be in your premises. You will be getting the membership of this club. This is your second terrace. All inclusive price of this villa is 9.5 CR and we will be delivering this villa in builder finish condition. For more details, kindly contact us on our number given below. Thank you.